What an explosive breakout here for the Bitcoin price. And the question now becomes, are the bulls potentially setting up for yet another rally to the upside? Or, my friends, could we in fact be due for a plunge deep down into the crypto abyss? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but the bears will never dump it, said every moon boy ever. Ha ha ha! Now, folks, in all seriousness, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that we have been closely observing this Bitcoin bearish downtrend. Now, I mean, this has certainly been a downtrend, right? Our peak, climax high, followed by a lower high, followed by yet another lower high. And even on this breakout here with the rounding bottom, this could have certainly been the swing high top. I mean, we saw resistance come in here at a multi-month old support range, which then could have potentially formed new macro resistance to end the uptrend. And it did look like that was a real possibility for a short amount of time, folks. I mean, when we saw this drop here, basically from about 53,000 all the way down to just under 40,000. I mean, this was a significant drop. And at the time, it really did look like this could have just been one gigantic bull trap. Now, keep in mind here, we have seen this horizontal level of resistance broken. We have also seen these two downward sloping yellow lines of resistance. You can see if we connect this swing high top to this swing high top, we broke it. And if we connect from this top up here to this top here, we've broke that as well. So we have three areas of key resistance that have now all been broken. Let's get this crypto. The thing that does still bother me here, folks, is that right now you have a ton of euphoric moon boys that are looking to buy the breakout. Not that that has to be a bad thing, but you have to understand that what does this do? Every single person in this market with a brain and an IQ above zero should understand that liquidity enters markets when key areas of resistance are broken. Let me say that one more time for the moon boys in the back. When you break above certain key critical areas of resistance, usually bullish liquidity enters this market. And what I mean by that is that there are generally more buyers up here than there were down in here. And what this can lead to, folks, is whales looking to offload holdings when the order books are packed, right? When the order books are full of buy orders, this allows large holders to sell off larger amounts of Bitcoin without pushing the order book down too far. Now, I'm not saying that this still has to be a bull trap. As I just stated, we have broken three critical areas of key resistance, but keeping in mind that there is now possibly liquidity here for whales to dump, way more so than down here, and the fact that we have this blue trend line here. You see this one, folks, where we connect this high, these two bottoms, this bottom, this little area of key consolidation on our plunge down, and then the rough general toppy area here, right? This line is very, very interesting, especially in conjunction with this bottom upward sloping trend line. This could very well be a rising wedge pattern here. This would be disgusting. This would be absolutely sick if this wound up playing out, because as we should all know, if you are subscribed to this channel, these types of patterns, rising wedges, are bearish patterns that you usually find in a bearish downtrend. And of course, I understand that we have broken these key critical areas of resistance, but until we break to a new all-time high, and really at least until we break above this high here at almost 60,000, we still are technically on a macro lower high trajectory. Let's get this crypto. So if we were, hypothetically, to see this bearish rising wedge pattern play out, we need to take a look here at what the target would be. So we measure from the largest part of the pattern to the top there, and we bring it over to our potential breakdown point. We'll put it somewhere right over here, maybe just give us a little time to chop around and potentially break down. Now, this is where things get interesting, folks, because you just can't make this stuff up. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. You can clearly see that the measured move target of the pattern brings us right back down into my green box of multi-month support. Let's get this crypto. This is very, very odd confluence here, in my opinion, folks. And if you are appreciating thus far, leave a thumbs up for the video. It really helps the algorithm. Thanks for that. And if you're brand new and you're enjoying, welcome to the most must-see Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all right now so you do not miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. And I mean, it's not often that you see a pattern target down roughly minus 43% from the potential breakdown point. I mean, we'll see what happens here. Of course, right now we are flirting with the top end of this trend line here. We are very close to the apex of this pattern formation. Will we get a rejection here and test the bottom trend line? Only time will tell. I'm not saying that we have to do this or anything like that. We could rip right on through. Very, very possible. I'm just stating, if we do get rejected here, watch out for this upward sloping trend line here where you connect our last two macro swing lows, all right? And watch out for the response along this trend line, because if we do in fact break it, folks, we could in fact be due for a plunge deep down into the crypto abyss. Let's get this crypto. Folks, so now what we have to understand here is that, yes, there is this big old bearish pattern here, right? And the Moon Boys love to say, oh, Don, this guy, he's the perma bear, the perma bear. Well, little Jimmy and your $600 stimmy, your volcano mining in El Salvador, I personally, I don't think that's going to have much of an effect on the price at all. The Lightning Network, Kirby, the Lightning Network. I can buy a coffee and a muffin with my Bitcoin. If you really think, little Jimmy, that people are going out to buy coffee and a muffin with their Bitcoin, you must be out of your mind, my friend. People love to hoard and hodl Bitcoin, okay? People love to trade Bitcoin. Coffee and a muffin are the least of anybody's concerns, you understand? So right now, I'm seeing so much bullish euphoria in this market, folks, that it does still worry me. Now, I am fully under the impression here that this could have now been the confirmation that we are possibly going to a new all-time high. The biggest one here, it's not even so much this resistance. It's this support that held up here. It's the fact that we're seeing this support hold here is giving me bullish optimism that this could actually now be the base. And even more so, this down here, this whole area here, basically between 42,000 and 30,000, is now potentially going to act as a base to continue the bull market. So if we do continue to see bullish upside here, and say that we break this downward sloping trend line definitively, say that we backtest, right? This pattern really will pretty much become obsolete at that time. I would just remove the trend lines and all eyes would shift from me onto this red box, basically here between 51,000 and 53,000. Just like this box here was resistance until we broke it and then back tested as support, this box here is essentially the very same. It was resistance until we broke it, and then we would look for a possible back test of support. And if that support holds, folks, it could be off to the races, and this could lead to a massive, massive rally, in my opinion. Well, Don, what? So you're gonna wait that whole time to be bullish? Look at all the gains you're missing out on. What are you talking about, little Jimmy? This is technical analysis, Stunad. Okay, we're just looking at the developments in the chart. We're not blindly buying and hodling and praying for the moon. Okay, there's a difference here. Realistic technical analysis versus blind, degenerate hodling. Let's get this crypto. I hope you understand, folks, my come from on this, and I hope you appreciate it. And of course, for all of the Moon Boys, for whatever reason, the Don got wrecked. He's wrecked. Stunad, I've been telling you that I've not been taking any short positions here because there's been too much potential for further upside, right? You don't stand in the way of a freight train, right? You don't want to stand in the way of big momentum. But what would you do here from a long perspective as well? go long into 3 trend lines of key macro resistance here? I mean, this is very, very difficult, this area, folks. I mean, I'm happy right now that we are seeing these massive areas of key confluence get broken. But at the same time here, this whole area in particular, very, very difficult from a short-term trading perspective, okay? From a hodling perspective, this is very nice what we're seeing here, these bases potentially being built here. From a swing trading perspective, you just hit a macro swing high at a multi-month resistance, got heinously rejected. So now you have a confirmed rejection point, 3 downward sloping lines of resistance, and all of these moon boys are thinking that this is such a great area to go long right here. Absolutely insane, folks. I mean, just from a trading perspective, that's just insane to me. So for all of the moon boys, this guy got wrecked. No, I didn't, Stunad, because I've been telling you each and every day here on this channel that the Don has been practicing risk management and risk mitigation. And sometimes the best position is no position. So no, Stunad, the Don did not get wrecked. The Don right now is preparing to strike like a cobra out of the grass and potentially get this crypto when that opportunity does in fact arise. And if you do want to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, and potential take profit ideas, everything just like that in absolute real time, as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again, then I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's go. And folks, leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. Is this still a gigantic bull trap here? What do you think about the rising wedge? Will we see the rising wedge potentially play out with a target, a measured move target all the way back down towards 30,000? Or are we going to see bases formed here and here, giving us a launching pad to a new all-time high? Let me know, leave me a comment down below. And as always, if you enjoyed here today, all I ask for is a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that, folks. Just tap that thumbs up button right now. Thanks. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see Bitcoin analysis channel and show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all right now, as you cannot afford to miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates, and that will give you the notification when I upload. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, my friends, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.